Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Schlage BE365 keypad deadbolt in 2026. Now over here, as you can see, this is your Schlage lock. So you will need to access the inside portion first of the lock where the battery compartment is located. So when you remove the battery cover, you need to simply disconnect the 9-volt battery from the lock. Now after disconnecting it, you just have to go back on the lock and then you need to simply press this particular Schlage button. Now this is going to help discharge any of the remaining power in the lock. Now with the battery still disconnected, you need to simply press and hold this particular Schlage button on the keypad. While continuing to holding the Schlage button as well, you need to now reconnect this particular battery. Now keep holding the button until the lock beeps and the Schlage button lights up green. When it does, you just have to simply release it and the lock will now begin to factory reset process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.